And a machine fire Iyara my ref for Jamaica's game. Roughest out here, hear me talk. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's giving you with another reaction? Hey guys, today we are with Iyara. Yeah man, Iyara Pray. Pan yours truly rhythm, the mutual gun rhythm. That's my production. We just step on YouTube a while ago and say that one I followed up. I never know say the G I got shot a music video for it. The song is out on all the social media platform, Spotify, Apple Music, you name it. The official audio is out as well on YouTube. So what we are gonna do, I'm gonna pin a comment. No, I'm gonna pin that song reaction at the end, upload over my screen, over my head. You see me? So go check it out. Let's jump in the one and see what I go on with G9 music video. We know what I go on in a song already, so I'm gonna see what I go on in a video. Let's go.
Prayer on the left out. It's a part of my life.
Clean.
We got prayer before bed.
This
Slap another prayer with my
morning.
eyes. Yo, verse gamer.
I mean that.
The more I pray, the more I realize. God real. You wake up this morning.
Don't forget to pray.
Ask for protection along the way.
Mutual guns rhythm.
There's evil out there and yes it is
Yeah man. Pussy them out there, no.
I forget, please pray for me.
What one?
Say talk to God, you're not fi ring the phone. You're not fi gonna church. Go on your name, my friend. The surface could be dirt. No matter where you wear it, not fi be no but no shirt.
Prayer on the left
Me have to pull you up again. Got my production.
Slap another prayer with my eyes.
Iyara. More videos are forward out. You know, watch it. Watch this
Yo, verse
space.
gamer.
More videos forward. You know, watch this space. Ready?
You wake up this morning, don't forget to pray.
Don't forget.
Ask for protection along the way.
No, we are today in trouble.
There's evil out there, and yes, it is real.
Them real.
If I forget, please pray for me.
If you forget, pray for me. Watch out.
Say talk to God, you're not fi ring the phone. You're not fi gonna church. Go on your name, my friend. The surface could be dirt. No matter where you wear it, not fi be no but no shirt. Jah know your heart, him know your thoughts, so him will make it work. Them fling me evil, me block it with a Bible verse. Isaiah 41, me clock, me never find reverse. Well, leave a love the road, yes, I'm not watching.
Prayer on the left out.
If you forget for prayer, please pray for me.
We got prayer before
Please
bed.
pray for me. Just mention
Slap
my name
another
in your
prayer with my
prayer.
eyes.
All who can relate to that one now. Represent. Bumbleclad. Machine gun fire with a difference. Ready?
You wake up this morning, don't forget to pray.
Ask for protection along the way. There's evil out.
there, and yes, it is real.
Hold on, man. Wanna listen to what Iyara said now?
Please pray for me.
Wanna listen now? Ready?
Say talk to God, you're not fi ring the phone.
No.
You're not fi gonna church.
No.
Go on your name, my friend.
Yeah.
The surface could be dirt.
Yeah.
No matter where you wear it, not fi be no but no shirt. Jah know your heart, him know your thoughts, so him will make it work.
Forward as you are. Forward as you are. It not fi be in a button shirt. It not fi be the typical scream out shoes. It not fi be the typical church wear. Forward as you are. No matter how the surface look down, they don't scan it. Go down by your knee and pray. Yeah, prayer. God answer prayer. Good prayer, not bad prayer.
No matter where you wear it, not fi be no but no shirt. Jah know your heart, him know your thoughts, so him will make it work. Them
Yes,
fling
them.
me evil, me block it with the Bible verse. Isaiah 41, me clock, me never find reverse. Well, leave a love the road, yes, so now watch it grime me words. Now pass your place, got me we put you where you fly the birds.
Whole heap of love round your son. Now watch the grimy words. Now pass your place, me G. Come we put you which part? Alright, yo. Youth!
Leave a love the road, yes, so now watch it grime me words. Now pass your place, got me we put you where you fly the birds. Them road attempted, now get drought for rifle burst. Help me quote mama words, never find work,
Yeah, guys.
Nothing I'm on in life could I ride. Jah me put her first when me step me foot a rock. You wake up this morning, don't forget to pray. Ask for protection.
is real.
If I forget, please pray for me.
Fire!
Give thanks, me
alive, Jah a guide.
Certain road me a find. I just
a
survive.
vibe.
Before me foot up on the plane, prayer I fi pray. Jah protect we fi depart, fi arrive. And when the time.
Yo, look which fire there. Look which part fire there and look with I call him fire. Look which part air there and look with the around him. In a matter. Look now, man. The surface is dirt. You see me? So if Ima do it, Uno can do it too. Don't forget. Say a Jack gonna wanna have. So don't be afraid to praise him, man. Praise him.
Jah a guide, certain road me
abide.
I just survive. Before me foot up on the.
Brian no left out.
Song bad. Big up the production team. Big up the production team. Big up the artist. Mr. OwnWay himself.
Yo,
Iyara. Yeah, I mean that. Oh, I'm my production. Oh, never remember. What one?
You wake up this morning.
Don't forget to pray.
Ask for protection along the way. There's evil out there, and yes, it is real.
If I forget,
please pray for me.
what one? Talk to God, you're not fit. No, you're not fit. No.
Go on your name, my friend. The surface could be dirt. No matter where you wear it, not fit no but no shirt. Jah know your heart, him know your thoughts, so him will make it work. Them fling me evil, me black it with a Bible verse. Isaiah 41, me clock, me never find reverse. Well, if I love the run, yes, so now watch it drive me hurt. Now pass your place, got me with put you with your fly the birds. Them would attempt it, now get drought for rifle burst. Help me quote mama words, never find work, your high glass. Nothing I'm on in life could I ride, Jah me put her first when me step me foot a rock. You wake up this morning, don't forget to pray.
Yeah, man.
Ask for protection along the way.
Prayer day, keep the bad man away.
There's evil out there, and yes, it is real.
If I forget, pray for me. Yeah.
Give thanks, me alive. Jah a guide, certain road me a find. I just survive. Before me foot up on the plane, prayer I fi pray. Jah protect we fi depart, fi arrive. And when the time dark light in my heart, acknowledging the homeless on the sidewalk. My brother down a town where you pushing and can't go and pray, cause your blessing round a one part.
Yeah.
Every day, every night me pray. I true prayer me raise with Christ, no need special time for pray. You wake up this morning, don't forget to pray. Ask for protection along the way.
There's evil out there, and yes, it is real.
If I forget, please pray for me.
Why?
If I forget, please pray for me. No. If I forget,
Big up the girl with the arm on the banana. Bad, Iyara. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. And respect for the strength, bro. Respect for the strength. You see me? Yeah, my G. Like me say, there's more videos to forward. I ain't gonna say much. That's all I'm gonna say. There's more videos forwarding. So yeah, when them forward, I'll get the video them. Big up the people them that's been streaming the songs. Big up the people them that's been supporting the song, sharing it, sharing the project that I produce. So big up on yourself, my G's. Big up the female them and the G them I do it. You see me? Iyara! Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. Everybody can relate, man. Everybody can relate. Even if you're not praying now, remember say you used to pray when time you're younger, growing up. As a Jamaican, you have to pray. You have to pray. You see me? So yeah, can relate. Relatable. Iyara, big up yourself again, my G. This time I'm gonna leave that one still. Like me say, the video, the official reaction to the song, and the song is gonna be over my head right now. So click on it and do the do. You know what I mean? Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, Rust gave the review your feisty dog. If feisty you fuck.